We're going to talk about aches and pains and colds. They're universal, but different countries certainly have very different ways of treating them. Our next guest is here to show us some cures from around the world. Please welcome our dear friend, Dr. Travis Stork. Hey, Travis.
My dear, how goes it?
How goes it with you, my friend?
Life is good. One of the things that they love to do in Mexico is use chili peppers in their foods.
Another thing I eat a ton of.
Which is awesome. And there's a reason for this medically, because capsaicin in these hot peppers is really, it's great metabolism booster. But interestingly, capsaicin also topically, there's some ingredients in it that help prevent some of the pain signals to your brain. So both internally and externally, in Mexico, they're onto something.
Mexico, they're onto a lot. Mexico is awesome. I've never had a bad time in Mexico, by the way.
FYI.
Yeah.
Have you ever eaten one of these straight?
Of course.
Really? I was just going to say, I don't know that you want to eat one straight up.
It's delicious.
Rachael Ray is officially a bad. If you use this capsaicin cream, talk to your doc and certainly try it on a small area. Some people do have an allergic reaction to it.
Oh, really?
But it's a nice, natural...
Well, that makes sense. If you're allergic to the plant or fruit, you would be allergic to the cream from it, right?
Absolutely. So, spicy, good stuff, especially this time of year.